Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is click on the spreadsheet and download it. And then once you download it, it's going to open into Google Spreadsheet or into Excel. And then I would go down and find your name. And then I'm just going to click and drag all of your students. Okay, and I'm going to go up to edit and copy them. And then come down here and insert a new sheet. This way you're not messing with the master sheet. And then insert copied cells. So that's just giving you all of the same information. And then come back to the top. And I would just copy those headings so that you know what you're looking at on your sheet. And paste them. So really what you don't need, you get rid of. So we don't need any of this. So you just click on the letters up above, edit, and delete. Okay, and then we want your name still. We don't need this student ID, so we're going to delete that. We don't want start year. We don't need this. So here it's just kind of a preference of what do you want, what don't you want. So you go through and just kind of clean it up. That'll just help you out here in a little bit. Right here you can see it's not big enough, so you just spread it out. So that's what all those, like right here's another one telling you the first time that they logged in. But I think what you're really looking at is these minutes logged last week. And if you want to go put them next to the person that they're associated with, you just click on the T up to edit. You're going to cut. You go over here to the C, click on the C, edit, and you're going to paste. And that's just going to give you everybody's minutes logged last week. So whatever you want, you can just cut and paste into, and whatever you don't want, you can just get rid of. So this is all time. I don't know what, maybe their total time. I'm not sure what that column is, but so hopefully that helps.